Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Google Chrome in Ubuntu. For that, guys, let me open my browser. So, for that, guys, just type download Google Chrome for Ubuntu. Click on enter. Now, click on download Chrome. It will ask you for this. Select 64-bit, accept and install. It might take a little bit of time. As you can see, it is now downloading the Google Chrome. Whatever the stable version is available, it is downloading that. So it is taking a little bit of time. Now it has been completed. So now you can see in the download page this is available. Just double click it. So once you double click it, the page comes like this. Now click on install. Now it will install the Google Chrome. You have to enter the password here. Just click on authenticate. So it will take a little bit of time to install. Now, as you can see, it is now installed Google stable version. Okay, let me close this. Let us close this. You can now click for show applications. Now you can see the Google Chrome is there in the application. Just click on that. It should now properly launch Google Chrome. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.